Ever wondered why your adorable canine companion sometimes turns into a biting machine? Well, it's not because they're inherently bad or aggressive. It's just a part of their natural instincts. But that doesn't mean it's a behavior we should accept. So how can one train a dog to resist the urge to bite? Firstly, it's crucial to understand that biting in puppies is usually a form of play. They're exploring their world, learning how to interact, and sometimes their tiny teeth can get the better of them. But as they grow older, this behavior needs to be curbed. The first step in training a dog not to bite is to provide them with appropriate things to chew on. Dogs, especially puppies, need a way to relieve the discomfort of teething. Chew toys, rubber bones, and puppy teething rings can all help satisfy this need. Next, it's essential to teach your dog bite inhibition. This is the ability of a dog to control the force of their mouth when biting to prevent harm. You can do this by reacting dramatically to your dog's bites, yelp loudly, and immediately stop playing with them. This will startle your dog, and they will begin to understand that biting leads to an end in fun. Thirdly, socialization plays a key role in a dog's development. Exposing your dog to a variety of people, places, and other animals will help them become more comfortable in different situations and reduce the likelihood of them biting out of fear or anxiety. Another useful technique is positive reinforcement. Reward your dog when they display good behavior. Whether it's a treat, praise, or a favorite game, reinforcing good behavior is more effective than punishing bad behavior. Finally, if the biting problem persists, seeking professional help is a wise decision. A professional dog trainer or a behaviorist can provide personalized training and techniques based on your dog's specific needs and behavior patterns. Remember, patience and consistency are key. Training a dog not to bite isn't an overnight process. It'll take time, but the end result will be a well-behaved canine companion who's a joy to be around. To recap, the key steps in training a dog not to bite are providing appropriate chew toys, teaching bite inhibition, socializing your dog, using positive reinforcement, and seeking professional help if needed. It's a journey that requires patience and consistency, but the rewards are truly worth it. So the next time your furry friend gets a bit too nippy, remember these steps. With some time and effort, you'll soon have a well-behaved, bite-free dog. Isn't that a wonderful thought?